Today, I'm going to show you how to move archived emails to Inbox in Outlook. So I'm starting by opening my Microsoft Outlook app and logging into my account to load in all my emails. Once I'm logged in, I'll just wait a moment for everything to load up completely so I can see my inbox and all my folders. Now that my emails have loaded, I'm heading over to the Inbox pane on the left side of the screen. This is where all my emails and email folders are located. From here, I need to find my archive folder, so I'm looking through the list until I see it. Once I spot the archive folder, I'm clicking on it to open it up. As soon as I do that, all my archived emails appear on the screen. Now, the process of moving archived emails back to your inbox is actually quite straightforward. I'm looking through the list of archived emails and selecting the one I want to move. Once I've found the email I need, I'm right-clicking on it. This brings up a context menu with several different options for managing the email. From this context menu, I'm hovering my cursor over the Move option. When I do that, it expands to show me additional options, which is basically a list of all the available destination folders in my Outlook account. This gives me the flexibility to move the email wherever I need it to go. Since I want to move this email back to my inbox, I'm simply clicking on Inbox from that list. As soon as I click it, the selected archived email is immediately moved from the archive folder straight into my inbox. The email disappears from the archive view and is now sitting in my inbox where I can access it more easily. This method works perfectly if you only need to move one or a few emails at a time. You can repeat this process for any other archived emails you want to bring back to your inbox. Just open the archive folder, right-click the email, hover over Move, and select Inbox as the destination. And that's all there is to it. I opened Outlook, navigated to my archive folder, selected the email I wanted to move, right-clicked it, hovered over Move, and clicked Inbox to bring it back. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.